Are you ready to take your programming skills to the next level? Or you want to get your dream IT job in software development? Introducing the complete C# programming masterclass. Welcome programmers. In this comprehensive masterclass, we dive deep into the world of C# programming. Hi, my name is Imran Afzal, and I've been in IT for over 20 years. I have been teaching IT-related courses for a while and have over 1 million students worldwide. I teach some of the best-selling and highest-rated courses. I earned my bachelor's in CIS from Baruch College, City University of New York, and my MBA from New York Institute of Technology. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and confidence to tackle any C# project with ease. We will spend a significant amount of time where you will learn all C# tools with practical, real-life examples. Folks, I am telling you, don't miss out on this opportunity to become a C# expert. So let's go learn something together.